So I just let this go. That's good. Again, rinse. This is an OXO brand, by the way. Let's get you out of here. Do is I'm going to do this. I'll show this to you. That's fine. I literally just go in and scoop this stuff out. This is actually about an Asian store. Get a little shaky. Drop it. I mean, this step you don't need to do. I just like to do it because I only like the white stuff. You can see it's slowly. I just want to get the real dark stuff out, like the white stuff I don't really care too much about. Just the darker pink. I mean, technically I could also probably rinse this out too, just to make it a little bit easier. And kind of the last one. I usually just taste it. Not bad. I'll do the same thing I did that time with Come Jack. I'm literally just gonna do 2 teaspoons full. Now it doesn't seem like a lot, but believe it or not, it actually is. That's that. Then just mix it. You see there's no more white stuff on top. This is now done. So I'm just going to where you are. Alright, for now, I'm going to put this in the fridge, but ultimately I'm going to put this into this with a funnel using this guy. And we're done.